Vada Pav, fresh oil it is. We don't use the same oil for...
Hi guys, first of all welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you the Calangute inside lane, the market, the hidden market which no one actually covers. So I'm going to take you all over there. Then afterwards I'm going to take you on to the Titos lane. Yeah, Titos lane, the inside. Then I'm going to take you also in Calangute beach also. Yeah, watch the full video, then you will be enjoying the video of course. So finally here we are at Calangute main market. Then I'm going to show you all the traffic and all, into the crowd, the chaos, fucking chaos. So while crossing over you have to take care also of yourself though. So here you can see the crowd, like it's a lot of crowd, like you don't even walk properly. There are some street foods also. It's almost like it's actually worth it. So yeah, leaving that apart, I'm going to show you all the inside road though. Never shown also when. Yeah, there are some bars and all. Like this is the main market where you get vegetables and all. Like I heard like it's not that cheap as you get in Mapso. There you get. It's not that affordable. I think so they have to charge a lot of like rent and all. This is the fish market. This is like empty only, like most of them. What is over here? There is one small chapel as you can see over here. Yeah, this fish market at the right side, but it's very stinking also over here. There's still traffic jam over here. Leaving that apart, there are shops at my left side and right side also there are shops. Yeah, now you won't get actually crowd. Crowd is only on the circle over there because like buses mostly stop over there for the passengers and all. So I'm going to walk over there and let's see what we can get. Still, as you can see, there are a lot of shops at my left side also. Last time when I came, I parked my bike over here. As you can see, there are always on the shops like you get these types of things. Actually, like half of them I like and I don't like also. So there is another Tibet market over there in front of me. So I'm going to show you on the Tibet market also. Like honestly, like I've been over here. This is the another time I'm coming. Hello, let's analyze some Tibet market over here. I've been over here. This is my second time. So as you can see, it's like here also there are usually, as you can see, there are lots of clothes over here at my right side and back side though. But yeah, as you can see, like, there is also one tattoo shop. You get tattoo shop everywhere. Oh, collection but so those are all like handmade crafted. Oh, fan. तू सेल्समॅन काय धरून जाईन असं सारखेच होत त्याचे So you can see a lot of Tibet market also over here. Like, I expected something else though, like they are all selling the same item. I don't know what up to their business is into, like selling the same product everywhere. It doesn't make sense though. There's the same necklace and everything is same, but as you can see over here, this one is really cool over here. Like same, they will charge you also. You can see all the big buildings. Like mostly these are like hotels, no? Hotels is there. मुझे इस बार रेस्टोरेंट को ऐसा नहीं है. रेस्टोरेंट नाल लेते हो फुल है ना सोच रहा हूँ. ये भी ATM, नहीं सर ATM है TFC के. So mostly these are like the hotels over here. And yeah, there is nothing like most spaces. You get bongs, everything is there over here at my left side. You don't need a earphones for this, but yeah. This Thai spa. I don't know if there is Thai spa, then why there is men standing outside of the corridor? Seriously? There is non-veg biryani family restaurant, something like you get over here. And yeah, I've seen many people sitting for drinks and all, like a lot of tourists also international. And there is a Punjabi haddi no, handi. Here also I've seen many people coming and taking photos. I have seen the good reviews though, but I also read in the Google like it was like not a good hospitality and all. I never explored over here. हाँ त्याच्यावर किती दिलं एवढे
Maishin वडापाव भाव माझा वडापाव fresh oil it is. We don't use the same oil for tomorrow.
No, not like that. I'm thinking what to buy.
वडापाव आलू भजी आणि मिरची कापा मिरची
तू काही वडापाव सांगले ना तुम्ही तिथं मला एक वडापाव कर
एक वडापाव कर रे बाबा
ना दोन कर
दोन वडापाव कर ब्लॉगर आहे बाबा
होय तू येत असता
होय अंगर बरोबर आले भाव माझा
ना you coming over here? Yeah, please do visit this guy over here. Please do support local guys also over here.
20 रुपये सर ठीक हो मैम क्या
ठीक है
तुमची गोइंग ऑन कोण होतं
हाँ सुनो तो
असणार ना सॉस आहे सर मला का सॉस बोलतो थोडा
let me try with this over here. दे दीजिए
हाँ सर भर के दे रहा हूँ हाँ भरोगे उद्या हा तर सांग मला चेंजेस किती सांग
बोला
हा चेंजेस करूच जाय मी सांग जाय रा बाबा ठीक ठीक
हे ठीक नाही ना
हे चोट ठीक हो
कवरच धाकटे असतात ते
ना घालची पण डांबर किती ना नॉर्मल घातली न्हू
चणक सारखेच लायक होतं ते
नॉर्मल तर दोरी जाल्यार 2 किलो पासून कवच नाच जातली एक कितें एक खान सॅटिस्फाय जाता म्हणजे सुबेज वगत चलता मातशी 2 भजिया पाव एक मिरची सिंगल 50 50 सर थैंक यू take 20 it will come 3 chilies in that एक वड़ा पाव 20 बाबा चेतन छोटा चेतन सांगता रे असं घराकडे वचून येऊन शाणा पेटीएम स्पीकर मागला म्हणून सांग घराकडे थँक्यू
त्याचो आको चेक करचेच पडटलो न्हू
कितें म्हणटाय
चेक करचेच पडटलो
कितें मोबाईल घराकडे आसता न्हू
कळ्ळो तो तुका
हांगासर सांगता मेसेज आसता 20 रुपया बाबा 4 येतली का बाबा घाल देगा एक घाल
उनो एअरपोर्ट बना चाव पिवन येलो
चाव देवी
पिवन येलो
एकदम हरमाना
थोडे डस्टबिन पडलो
एक बड़ा पाव भाई साहब के लिए गर्म आ रहा है सर 1 मिनट एक पैसा बाद में दीजिएगा सर
किती झाले माझ्या
40 रुपये ऊपर जाना मान आया स्टाइड घाल बरोच निरला
तू तुझ्यात घातले ते सगळे
ना कोणता रे
चेक कर
ना येईल असतले दाखवलं तर येईल असतले आवाज करो मन मारे मासो राजू कोण माता शोभले कोण माता रो डॉक्टर ट्यूशन गेलो
फायदे होते हॉलिडे जाऊ पांग जाते
बोलिए मैम वड़ा पाव हाँ गरम गरम दे रहा हूँ मैं 1 मिनट फटा हुआ नहीं डालने का फटा हुआ साइड में लो
झालं मग किती तारीख तुला खायचं चल बरोबर मस्ट visit over here this guy in front of like Punjabi hatti right in front of them. Please do support, like, go on guys, go. Now let's go towards the beach side. You can see there are a lot of tall building, big buildings, and the home side. And I'll start recording again once I reach over there. It's like I reach over here walking more faster than when I come with my bike. नाही लाशामूच पडलं ते चाळीचे बीन चगलेले बरा म्हणजे किती कुठचं coming towards the beach area today. I don't know, like forward to the night look look at no किती आले
रूम निप्पा कोण ना दरिया निप्पा किती लोक गेला सगळे
so as you can see over here there are a lot of like international tourists and like I don't know why all are like the hair was blonde both so you can see like let me walk towards the other lane बरा तुवें म्हाजे दोय सगळ्याक भोंवता ते तूं मात सारकें क्रॉस कर the crowd was a lot over here. ¿Cómo te gusta? A lot of crowd. You can see most of the shopkeepers are now, they know me who I am, like I'm a vlogger and all, like always always I come over here. The camera guy, you can easily recognize the face and all that. So it's like they know me, so they are not like interacting too much with me. So I was planning to go somewhere else, the beach side and all that. Living that, as you can see, the crowd is like different, but that is why now I'm at Calangute beach again. नाका काय बरें दिसोंक ना तुजे कडेन फिक्स रेट्स आसा पयला ते तूं कितें बाय करता जाल्यार बरें आहा थिंगा This is the crowd, like finally we reached towards the beach main area. This is a lot of crowd over here at my left side. Always have to come over here, like take care of your belongings, like mobile. You see, there is one more shop over at my right side. There was one guy who was talking to his friends, like, yeah, I'm here in Goa, like in his language. I'm just predicting it. Okay, cool. Gira camera. Oops. Seems like they are partners and all, like you see the crowd is like hell lot. You can see a lot of crowd. Finding something like over here, like Majedar, but I'm not able to find a look. You can see the crowd is lot, like hell lot of crowd. The camera, I'm very sure it's not possible to show you all. So yeah, what I was saying is like let's go towards the main beach and I'm going to show you all.
I make like some tattoo bro.
I'm good, bro. As you can see the city tattoo and all, like over here. At my right side they are building something like. I think so, like the season will start. Before that they are everything like renovation and all. So actually it was banned and fine was like 5,000 to like 50,000. God knows, like again they started asking you like. So let me pause the video from here because of copyright strike. Song behind is playing is like the BTS song, I think so. I heard it, but yeah, you can see the crowd. A lot of crowd. You can get the place to walk also. See over here, my backside though, there are a lot of crowd. Actually, usually the main in the middle, there was no people. There was no people over here in the middle. That this time today, a lot of people as it is like Saturday also. You can see like different crowd only, like I think so. Like I'm going to buy a GoPro like lens which comes for the wide angle. Like it makes horizontal, vertical straight, and all. The shacks are open over there at my right side. So I'm planning to record everything now from my iPhone. Let's see. Let me start. So as you can see over there is a hell lot of crowd. As you can see, you can even walk properly though. Oh my god. See, the weather is also very good, and you can see they are allowing everyone to have fun. One thing I don't like of this beach is like it's like a lot of crowded. It just left the smoke on my face, which I actually don't like. You see the crowd. A lot of crowd. There are like lifeguard over always there after you. Please do listen to them. If you're not listening to them, very sure he will get down and pull you from the water in front of everyone. So no one is listening to them. This is telling everyone to get out from the water as they know. Like you should not go in the deep water, and you guys are like always see how they are done. Look at it. He's enjoying but he doesn't know. Like I think so they are drunk. Like this I will never behave only like in the river and all. I think so he's like he's the first time like he saw the beach and all. I think so. Like, I don't have any idea what I am saying. The mirchi which I had was little bit spicy, but some people do like the spicy. He will not make like obviously he will not make for me like the sugary side like what they say in English like no. Bro. Actually, if you need boating, I think so there are people who sit with those like directly you can go over here and ask the guy. I cannot see the place where people come over here and like to ask sit and all. What I was saying, you get a place where you can buy your own tickets over here. That only I'm finding like there is a ticket counter only. You can see there are international tourists also at my left side. There are a lot of international tourists. Let me go towards the shack area over here. I'm going to show you all the everything like shack and what is open. Like everything is open, but what I was trying to say is like the closer view from there. Then I'm trying to shoot from my wide angle lens, but as I can see, crowd is not over here. See the crowd. As you can see, all the shacks are open and they are very expensive, and you will not actually get a like authentic Goan food and all like on the shacks. But if you can try you have to just to chill and all, then it is fine. Then let me show you all the last view from over here. But the crowd is hell lot today. It's like in front only. You can see the crowd over here. The tea, nah, it's expensive. I don't want to go over there. You know that we are poor. Yeah. A friend was calling me, so I just cut his call. Made him to go away. Nah, I'm good, bro. You see, you get everything over at my right side. Daily means on bar sorry, no? So as you can see over here, 15 minutes, 1.2 kilometers just to walk over here, as my legs are very strong. Just for one recording, I have to walk a lot for here. Ah, it was closed over here, but let it be. No, there is something, huh? Let me walk towards the road. You see, a lot of crowd over here though. Let me go where I park my bike, as you can see. 1.2 kilometer. Yeah. If you guys like really want to support me, do subscribe to my channel if you're still watching the video. As you can see over here, there is a lot of traffic, like you cannot even walk properly. Like seriously bro, you can see everyone is trying to move their vehicle directly wherever it like this to get. You can see over here, there are like very homeless people also over here. Please do take care of them. I think so, like if they ask money, you can give a little bit of donation though if you are rich. But see, the person should be like genuine person, not to drinking alcohol and all this stuff. So now we are I'm scared of this. So now I'm going towards the person going to Gongmin Amche. I got scared because anyone can speed from the bus because they cannot sit down there, you know. Good, I didn't get my bike over here. As you can see, this lane I have not shoot while coming, but yeah, do the same shops over here. There way we have to have a food. As you can see over here, there are a lot of people. So we finally managed to come over here in the Titos lane at the night side. It's free over here, a full crowd. I will make a dedicated video over here, like walking towards the lane as at the night side. But as you can see over here, there is a lot of people over here. Seriously, we cannot move also properly. And this is the pink elephant. Bar and bar, I think so, like it's a club type. I don't know, the really is walking just for this smile like that. It is for ladies are free over here. You can see at my left side there are a lot of people though. At right side, I don't know why these people are coming from this. They have a separate lane though. All this lane at my right side. Yeah, living there, but as you can see there are a lot of people like over here. Music and all. I have to cross fast from over here for the music because of the music. Like at the left side though, people are also over there. And yeah, at my right side also there are people, and there's a Oyo. Since when I'm like noticing this, the Oyo, only one Oyo hotel is over here at my right side. As you can see up over here, it's written Oyo. I don't know what is this guy is doing. He's running out. You can see over here, this is the famous another club though, and this is the Maya club, the another one famous club, and this is the Titos wine tank. Then afterwards this is the main Titos area. And yeah, now I have to take a careful over here. Can you hold the camera please? yeah, and as you can see over here, there is a lot of crowd. There are local people also over here. I don't know for what reason. There are local people. As you can see, the crowd is like very a lot over here. Oh, partner. Can you get your camera like in front of me? As you can see, this is the right side. Right side is the parking lane over here. You want to park also. And yeah, there are a lot of people over here. So I was planning to park over here, but I will do a dedicated video over here, as I said before also. I will upload it on YouTube though. So remember, once you are like over inside, you have to take right from here and take the straight road. So this is the, like you can come outside directly from over here. And if you are taking the same lane again back, then you are like making the more blockage. And as you can see, there are a lot of tattoo shops also over here. So yeah, if you are walking on this lane also, please take care of other people also. Like people are walking over here, like I mean riding their bikes, car and all. Take care of yourself. Oh, there is no light, so I'm very sure you can see, you cannot see anything. So I'm posting the video from here only. Remember, you have to come straight from here to come outside from this lane. That's it. Pause the video. The traffic over here, like the light came, light was not there as I told you. Like this is a slow park over here, 500 rupees entry for each people. I'm getting a like small lane like to go over here. So I'm managing to go. So if you guys, oh, there are people who are coming from the opposite side. So I think so it doesn't have frames. Only you can go out from over here. You cannot go straight. This guy is busy with his phone. So I think my everything is over. So I can take left from over here. Yeah. So the right lane is now the pack because the right side was like a lot. You can see. Appreciate my work, bros. Because if I go like selfishness, if I do like there is no place to go.